guys, welcome back to Palette Therapy. If this is your first time stopping by, hey. If not, thank you for the support. In today's video, I will be talking about my 310 nutrition package. I will be doing an unboxing for you guys. So if you're interested in this video, please continue to watch. But first, I need you to go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Thank you for tuning into another Vlogmas video. Now, let's get into it. Okay, so this is not my first time taking 310 nutrition. I actually did 310 nutrition earlier in the year. I did it for a few months and then I had surgery. And so when I had surgery, I kind of got off track and hadn't really got back on track. So one of my goals going into the new year, which you guys will see a goals video at some point. One of my goals going into the new year is to just kind of get back on the right track, start back eating healthy, start back exercising, you know, all of those things, because that's something I need to do for myself and for my health. And so I decided that I wanted to start back using 310 nutrition again. So I ordered this sample package, which came with 4 sample flavors. And it came with, let me show you guys everything that comes in it. By the way, I paid 10 bucks for this as well. So it says on here, welcome to a healthier you. We are thrilled to have you as a part of the 310 family. Follow these simple steps to ensure you make the best tasting shakes with the creamiest textures. So they have, like, I don't know if you guys can see, instructions here on how to make a shake. And they say start with a 310 shake. Add your favorite fruits and vegetables. Add milk or a milk alternative or water. Add ice, blend, and enjoy. So my package came with a 310 nutrition shaker. It came with a keychain. That's really nice. It's pretty. I like that color. Then it came with a fresh start. So this is a guide. That's what it looks like. And it tells you how to make the shakes. It gives you tips if you need inspiration. They have recipes that you can follow. You can scan this code as well. Let's see what else they have in here. They tell you more about the products they have. They have lemonade, tea, greens. They have organic or non-vegan shakes as well. You can read about real stories, real weight loss stories. Here's one right here. You can download the app, become a part of the Facebook community. So it's really helpful. Okay, so let's get into the shake flavors that I selected. So when I was doing 310 nutrition, the shakes that I normally would drink or I purchased the most was probably the vanilla shakes. So that you can get a flavor package with vanilla, chocolate, and salted caramel. My favorite flavor was the vanilla, and that's because by itself it kind of just tasted like a melted milkshake or, you know, ice cream. But you could also mix it with other fruit and vegetables and it still had that same little sweet taste, whereas the chocolate and the salted caramel didn't necessarily have those things. But it wasn't like I didn't like them. Vanilla was just my favorite. So going into this knowing that I wanted to start 310 nutrition again, I wanted to try some other flavors, because I'm a person that if I have too much of something, I get burned out and I will stop. And honestly, there's no telling when I'll start back. So I wanted to purchase some sample flavors to try before I make any big purchases. So they sent me 4 sample flavors in this little bag. It's cute. And they sent me a $10 gift card. So enjoy $10 off your next purchase. Okay, so the flavors that I have are mocha, which is supposed to be like a coffee flavor. Yeah, it's supposed to be kind of give you like a coffee taste. The next one I have is s'mores, which is more of like a dessert flavor, which is good because I have a problem with sweets. Like, I don't eat them a lot, but when I want them, I want them. Anybody else like that? If you're like that, you know, comment down below. Let me know what helps you, because let me tell you, your girl be struggling sometimes when it comes to sweets. I'm just saying. Not all the time. Like I said, I don't eat them a lot, but when I want them, I want them. Okay, so the next one is cookies and cream, which is also a sweets flavor. And then the last one is horchata. All of these are already in the single serving packages, so all I have to do is just add them to whatever combination I like, to my, you know, liquid and my ice and whatever fruit and vegetables I want. Or you don't have to have fruit and vegetables either. You can just add them to the milk or water, whatever your decision is, and just enjoy them. So I do like them better in the single serving packages versus buying the bulk and having a scoop. But it's kind of your preference, your price range, that type of thing. Okay, so that is it for this video, guys. Y'all wish me luck on my health journey. I am trying to lose some weight in the new year. I want to go to Mexico next year, so I want to start now, so I don't set myself up for failure and try to do one of those crazy binge diets that end up making you sick and you gain the weight back anyways. I'm really trying to make this a lifestyle change, and I'm trying to lose the weight and keep the weight off. So you guys, you know, y'all wish me luck, shoot me positive vibes. I really do appreciate it. Okay, so that is the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. Let me know if you decide to try 310 Nutrition. Let me know if you've tried it before. Let me know if you've even heard about it. You know, comment down below what you know. Let me know some things you tried also. Give me some good recipes or some good smoothies and shakes to try, because I'm always looking for those type of things as well. If you made it this far in the video, leave me a Christmas tree in the comments. So yeah, thanks for watching this video. I appreciate all the support that you guys give me. I appreciate you for rocking with me through Vlogmas. As always, thank you. If you love the vibe, go ahead and join the tribe. We're a happy bunch over here, and I will catch you in my next video.